Today I'm going to share with you how I bulk upload my KDP titles, my low content KDP titles to Amazon, and I do it very quickly. I use a spreadsheet to power all this. Let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. Right, and so you can see in column K, I have all my colours. I'm only doing 6 by 9 inches for this one. So it's just a very simple one. I've got my colours down. I've spelt violet wrong. The titles are created by whatever I type in column K. So you'll see that this has now changed to violet 6.9. Maybe I'll put a comma in here. Let's put a comma in. There we go, that looks a bit neater. So once I've got this spreadsheet set up, I've got a script that I use, a script that I've written, which helps me fill in all the titles. We don't want that code when we're filling in the titles, so we'll just quickly replace those values. And save it once I've made those changes. Violet's still right, yeah. And now I have a script that I use, a script that I've written that will create these books for me. First thing I need to do is run Google Chrome in debug mode. So let's make that a little bit smaller. That starts Google Chrome in debug mode, and then I go to my script. I run my script and it's filling in. It will fill in all 20 of these for me. I've got a decent suite of scripts that will help with KDP. I don't know if anybody would be interested in maybe getting hold of them or just using them themselves. If you are, drop me a comment in the video box below, and I'll see about if I can package this script into some software. I've also got scripts that I use to create my manuscripts and my covers. I'm thinking of setting up an Etsy store where I can sell the scripts, try and make it a nicer software package with good instructions so people can use. So I want to hear from you. I mean, would you be interested if I put these scripts up on Etsy for, let's say, $12.99, and you'd get my KDP creation script, which is the one I've just shown you. You get the script that I use to create my covers and the script that I use to create my manuscripts. Does that sound like a reasonable price? Would you be interested in either like purchasing it, and what instructions would you need to feel confident to use this? Please drop me a comment or a message below. I will be thinking about this over the next few weeks. I know if you want to create diaries, you'll want to get your hands on this as soon as possible. So just comment, subscribe. This channel has a lot of other stuff. It's not all about KDP. It's mainly about news. But that way at least you'll know when I make my next video. Yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you.